Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Merry Christmas to everyone out there. It's Christmas Day here in Florida. It's 78 degrees where I am. Hence the short sleeves, and it's Christmas Day. All the stores are closed. I don't have any family or anybody to hang out with. So I figured I'd just be doing some quick things here in the shop. Let me know what you're doing for Christmas down in the comments. It's 2025. So today we're going to be turning this piece of scrap, into something we can use.
Please subscribe.
Alright, so I've got a scrap piece of 3/4 inch birch or sanded plywood. I think it's sanded birch, honestly. It is just laying around and it is trash. But we're going to make something cool out of it. And I'm not going to tell you what it is until the end of the video. You'll see it. It's real simple. I have to make 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. I have one piece at 1.25 inches, one piece at 6 inches, one piece at 1.5 inches, and another piece at 1.25 inches. I've already marked them to cut, and I know what they are, so let me go over to the miter saw, cut them out, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got myself a scrap piece of plywood just so I am not drilling any holes into my workbench top. I've got my wood here. I have it laid out the way I want it. So now I'm going to drill a couple of pilot holes. First thing I'm going to do here is this. Now we're making this with scrap or crap, don't forget, so it's not a big deal. The plywood will not split if you pre-drill. And I'm just using what I have laying around because it's Christmas Day and my shop is not full of stuff. So there we go, that's part of it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and drill the next bit and do the same thing. Now you can finish these or stain them or whatever you want, any way you want. I'm going to be painting them black because if you can see in the background, my tool walls are black. I like them that way. I like to be able to see the tools, not the wall. So there we go. And the last bit here is going to be exactly the same thing. Lift it up. And that's it. Have you figured out what it is yet? Let me show you. All right, now here's one tool wall that I hung already. And instead of doing French cleats or anything like that, because I need this to be a working shop as quickly as possible, I am just using brackets like this. And in these cases of my drill, just screws to be able to hang my tools up, organize them, figure out where they're going to live, use them for a few months, and then start building something nicer. So this is just OSB that I had laying around. I happen to like the look of it. I painted it black. And that's 1/4 inch plywood or 3/8 inch plywood. And I don't particularly like the look, but for now I've got tool walls. So if you look at this, you can see that it has the hook on the top and a flat base on the bottom. This will not be its permanent home just yet. However, this is a tool that I don't use a whole lot. Now I decided to put my woodworking tools on this side, and this is my 8-foot cross bench where I will be keeping my mechanics tools next to my stand-up box. That is the DeWalt nail gun that went viral at 6 million views. That I'm keeping as a trophy, and that's what we just bought. Let me show you what it's for. This is my $20 jigsaw that I've had for years that I rarely use, but I need a place for it to live. I'm sick of these things being in a drawer and having to go look for them. So this is a gravity lock cleat. You might have seen it before. You put it in, slide it up, and then set it down on the base, and gravity holds it in place. So now I have a place for my jigsaw to live that's up and out of the way, that doesn't take up much space. I think the footprint is like 3 inches wide, and it will live there. My drills and my drivers will be on this side because I use both drills and drivers for woodworking as well as mechanic stuff. So I hope that gives you an idea what you can do with an old piece of scrap that's laying around. You can glue it, you can screw it, you can buy a brad nailer, you can brad nail it, you can do whatever you want. I had some birch plywood, I used some drywall screws. I did this video in real time, and now I have a holder for my tools. I'm gonna paint it black, maybe blue, I haven't decided. And now it's up and it's out of the way, and I can get it down anytime I want to and put it back just as easy. And unless we have a hurricane or an earthquake, it's not coming down. So thanks for watching. Merry Christmas to everybody. Hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere between my chin and my balls, and I'll see you soon.